the land of broke Chevys to pick up this gem. It's been here for a long time, but they say it's finally fixed. I mean, it's pretty much been here since full-time since April. It's been here since January, but when I got we were still using it. It just you had to keep fuel in the front tank, and the back tank wasn't transferring. But they say it's fixed now, and yeah, so I have to pick it up and I have to take it back and figure out what to do with it since Chevy stuck me with it. What I wanted to talk about, this will probably be like one of my last update videos, unless something else goes crazy and wrong. But Chevy customer care, they were originally they were pretty good about reimbursing me for payments and then providing me with a rental truck. And then I got it back, and then like a couple months later it was acting up again. We weren't even using it much because it was winter, and so I had to bring it back. That was January, and we were still using it. It was still operational. It just had the check engine light on and all that bull crap. And so April I got my new dump truck, my Ford. So I was completely done with this thing, and we just dropped it off here, and they were working on it here and there, or so they said. It was kind of bad communication. They really didn't care. But April, we turned it in. We were done with it. They sent it to another dealership to get fixed because they couldn't fix it. And like I said, that was April. And then they called me end of July to tell me that it was complete. Chevy reimbursed me one truck payment. They said they wouldn't do anything for me because I requested a buyback and they denied it. But Chevy gave me one truck payment, 1 month. And then they assessed all the work and everything they did, and I'll show you here the email from them and their offer. They gave me so many thousand points to GM for rewards, which I thought it would cover maybe an oil change. It was $50. So I had them take it in here and change the oil on it. It still cost me like $125 with their gracious Jelly of the Month Club reward.
What is it?
It's a 1-year membership in the Jelly of the Month Club.
Oh, God.
Clark, that's the gift that keeps on giving the whole year.
That it is, Edward.
Of $50 and 1 year of OnStar. And then one of my buddies said the OnStar, so the government can track me and shut my truck off. So yeah, thanks Chevy. This will be the last one I purchase ever, unless it's a new Corvette. But other than that, yeah, I'm not ever giving them my money. What a terrible experience. Well, it made it home with no issues, so I guess that's a plus. Good job, Chevy. This truck is only a 2020 Duramax, 50,000 miles. I bought in 21. God, you would think it's a 1990. I didn't want to park it too close to the Ford so it doesn't give it any diseases.
I never thought about